Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be going to Milimani, but my main purpose of shooting this video is to show you the Thika Road. Okay, so I'll take a video of the Thika Road going to Milimani and coming back so that you can have a full tour of Thika Road. If you've been watching my videos, you can see more of this because I live around Thika Road, so most of my videos are majorly around there. But okay, let me give a brief explanation about Thika Road. Thika Road is a major highway in Kenya connecting to the capital city Nairobi to the town of Thika. It's one of the busiest roads in the country, serving as a key transportation artery for commuters and cargo traffic between Nairobi and its surrounding areas. Thika Road has undergone significant expansion and improvement in the recent years to accommodate the increasing volume of traffic. So guys, watch this video and enjoy and get to familiarize yourself with Nairobi. I hope this is knowledgeable and educative to people who haven't visited Kenya and also those who live here and don't know much about Thika Road. Enjoy this video and hopefully subscribe to my channel. Show your family, your friends, and join my YouTube family. Watch this video to the end and enjoy, guys.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
this was approximately 1 kilometers to Milimani. Milimani is a neighborhood located in Nairobi, and it's known for residential areas, government offices, and diplomatic missions. Apart from that, Milimani is considered one of the affluent areas in Nairobi, with upscale residential properties, hotels, and restaurants. The neighborhood offers scenic views of Nairobi and is known for its relatively serene atmosphere compared to other parts of the city. So I'll just be here briefly as I turn back to Thika Road, so keep watching and keep getting familiar with Thika Road. I want everyone to know Thika Road in and out. That's my mission on this video. Githurai, Kahawa, Muthaiga North, Muthaiga, Juja, Ruiru, Kenyatta University, Mangu, Landless, and many more areas that you'll be seeing some of them in this video. These areas contribute to the diversity and vibrancy of the Thika Road corridor, offering various opportunities for living, working, and recreation. And also these areas along Thika Road offer a mix of residential, commercial, and recreational amenities. That's a reputation, catering to the diverse needs of the residents and visitors. So enjoy this video and get to know a bit about Thika Road, since this is a very major highway in Nairobi. I'll be showing more of such videos in my YouTube channel, so subscribe and get to know more of Nairobi in my videos.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get